Hello everyone, I am your DT Suresh from Vibjar Primary School and I am so happy to share this message with you and Vibjar Education providing in YouTube channel online classes. Okay na? So Vibjar Education YouTube channel lo so pre-primary section and primary section up to 5 వరకు all classes అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రెయిన్బో సెమిస్టర్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా. సో ఈ రెయిన్బో సిస్టమ్ అంటే గవర్నమెంట్ పిల్లలు కూడా ఈ క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్లో ఫ్రీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో వినవచ్చు. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్లో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సైన్స్ లెసన్ వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్, సో సైన్స్లో సెకండ్ లెసన్ వచ్చేసి సెకండ్ క్లాస్లో ఇలా అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క పేరెంట్ ఈ క్లాసెస్ని పాజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ప్లస్ ప్లే చేసుకుంటూ కూడా వినవచ్చు మీ సౌకర్యం ఉన్న టైంలలో. సో పిల్లలకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇటువంటి మంచి అవకాశాన్ని మీరు అందరూ కూడా వినియోగించుకోగలరు. ప్రతి ఒక్క సబ్జెక్టు పై మంచి అవగాహన ఉన్న టీచర్లచే ప్రతి క్లాసెస్ అంటే 5th క్లాస్లో సో పాజ్ చేసి క్లాసెస్ నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నాం. కంటిన్యూస్లో 5th క్లాస్లోని సైన్స్ సబ్జెక్టు మేడం కంటిన్యూ చేస్తుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ ఫాలో కండి. ఈ ఛానల్ మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్.
Good morning everyone. I am Sandhya from Vibjar Primary School. This is the Vikram Rainbow series. I am taking the 5th class. So the subject is going science. In the first lesson is the life of living things. In their first one is a flower plant decorations. Here some points I am written here, but more points is there, but I am taking the 6 points, more important points here. The first one is excreting mild, second one, third one is germinate, fourth one is bird, fifth one is fragrance, sixth one is aromatic. Here this is the plant. Plant means it is coming from small seed to it is germinating for taking the sunlight and water to growing these plants. For this here, this is the plant. Here there is the mother root. This is one is the mother root and the remaining are roots. And this is one earth. This is stem and these are flowers. These are taking for sunlight. These plants are taking the carbon dioxide and after they are preparing the food for help of sunlight. After these are we are taking the oxygen na. So these are plants taking the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen. So oxygen we are taking. So everyone you should remember all plants and trees are plants and trees. These all taking the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen. So everyone must don't cut the plants and we have to grow the plants only, plants and trees. For here important points. Excrete means removal of waste. Mild means soft, means it is the softness of every leaves or here stem there now and leaf and flowers is making the softness. And the next one germinate. Germinate means to grow. Grow means every plant or every seeds to grow up. Okay. Next bird. Mud means it is the bird means young shoot of a plant. Young shoot of the plant means firstly growing the plant is there na, that one. And the next fragrance. Fragrance means a sweet smell. Every plant is there, one kind of smells is there. So there is one kind of smell is coming, sweetness or heartful is there, and some waste of smells also there in some kind of plants. So here fragrance means sweet smell. And the next means aromatic. Aromatic means a sweet smell. It is also one kind of aromatic smells. And one more is the bloom. In this means to bear flowers means it is growing the flowers, coming leaves coming after we taking the flowers na, so it is the growing the flowers. Okay, here next point is means plants show movements. Plants, it is moving here to here but not moving in totally roots wise, not here at one place it's standing and that just moving, it is the movements. And just like animals also moving na, so like that only some plants here rooting there means here to there moving, means in this roots some kind of roots is there, they growing another plants, so it is the movements, means animals also one place to another place going, here also plants are going to one place to another place, some kind of plants. And next they do so by remaining fixed at one place. Some plants is fixed at one place only, they not moving in one place to another place, and roots also fixing in at one place only, means they are not that kind of work is doing, means plants not growing in the roots. And the next shoots growing upwards while roots spread underground. These roots going underground means earth inside the earth. These roots are totally tightly, they have to building their place, and opening and closing petals is movement visible in flowers. Here also petals they are moving in here to here, so it is the one kind of movement of the flowers. Next, plants make their own food. Plants are there using for sunlight and carbon dioxide for making their own food, and releasing after they preparing after releasing the oxygen, carbon dioxide taking, CO2 taking, and O2 is releasing. And the next is water, carbohydrates, nutrients and minerals present in the soil. In this soil means here earth after here soil. In this soil, minerals, nutrients and these are nutrients, minerals all will be taking after the plant making their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight. Sunlight is the main point of in these plants. The main point is in the flower plants decoration is okay for here. Main plants are chain system. Plants not life of living things. Life of living things here. Chain system will be there. Seeds come in plants coming for seeds. Okay. After plants eating the animals to again eat planting with the help of seeds. So flower of plants decoration is mainly important points, these only 6 points. Thank you everyone. Today class is completed. Tomorrow again we are meeting in Vibjia Primary School.